So our patient today is 41 years old male with Norwood 4 to 5 degree of the hair loss. Almost complete absence of hair in the front and partial thinning in the crown area. So the plan today is to get approximately 3,100 grafts. Patient also going to be started on DHT blocking therapy with finasteride and minoxidil. People frequently ask, why do I wear this exoskeleton? This is how I'm able to perform long procedures, long sitting hours. Ultimately, it benefits my patients. When you come to the clinic where the doctor performs the entire procedure, you know that his or her hands are the one who will be performing the surgery. So now we are in the middle of restoration of the crown area. We have some partial hair loss, as you can see. You can see how the pattern is, we call the WHIRL. And this is exactly what we're going to recreate, because it's not a complete hair loss, it's a partial hair loss. We're going to use approximately 600 grafts to reinforce it, and patient is already on the preventative therapy with DHT blocker finasteride, and we will try to keep all the pre-transplanted hair or existing hair where it is right now. We're gonna start with placing grafts, and as you can see, I will do my best to follow the angles and the direction of the existing hair, so the restoration looks at the end completely natural. Right now it's descending, going circumferentially, so we're going to tilt patient the other side, and we'll work on completing the circle. Make sure again everything looks natural. We're finally done with our 3,140 grafts. You've seen how I approach crown restoration with full mimicking of the WHIRL. At this moment, we are in the process of adjustment of grafts to make sure that every graft survives after I place them. And after we're done, we start with our second hyperbaric treatment. The entire area recipient zone will be flooded with oxygen. So hyperbaric therapy allows us to increase oxygen content up to 800% more. And this is exactly these grafts need after being taken from one area and placed to another one. So stay tuned with Dr. Max. Subscribe, ask questions, comment. I'll try to respond to every comment and question.